Welcome to our food forest. Come on in, Will.
Wow.
So here we are in 2020 in our food forest, and it grew quite a bit. And right behind Will is the raspberry patch with the red raspberries, which gives a lot of raspberries. And here we have the trellis with some grapes right here. And here on our stroll we will see all the different plants we have here, we entertain. And this is a kiwi right here, which climbs up into the trellis. Some flowers, and then we have here kale and flowers. It's a food forest, so everything is mixed. It's not randomly. Some comes by itself, but this is a lemon tree, and it has lots of lemons. They're green right now. And then here is our walnut tree.
Wow, lots of walnuts up there.
He has a nickname of Waldo. Yeah. So this is the center actually in our food forest. And then some more flowers and a cherry right here. The kale. This is a special tree. We went a long ways to get this. It's a mirabelle, and it's called Parfum de Septembre. So it will be a late fruit, which is always good. Everything tends to come in July and August, and this will come in September. So, and here are our raised beds, and it has some kale again and some strawberries. And we found out that putting the cucumbers vertically in the raised bed protects from some bugs and things. And this year is the first year we tried out to build a potato tower. So we have different levels with potato startings, and we will keep you up in telling you how it comes when the harvest is coming closer. And this is the second raised bed. This is especially for the winter squash, the kabocha, and other ones, and they then climb into these trees. You might have seen it in other videos. Comes really nicely. And then we have some vegetables here and there, like here we have the fennel, a strawberry tree. It's actually edible. When the compost is nearly ready, we take it out of our compost bin and put it in this place. And then some squashes come up just voluntarily, but a few actually I planted also.
And a watermelon.
And a watermelon right here, yeah, Will, you're right, like right here.
Winter squash.
Yes. And these are black currants. Here we have so many apples on there, and these are early apples. They're coming in a couple of weeks. One can actually already get the first ones, which is really nice. Some lavender. This is a neat goji berry. And this is a persimmon.
Look at the bird, he's right there.
Here you can even see a bird.
I'm scaring him.
He's a baby.
Little baby. Yeah,
He's waiting for his mother.
Hard. Little baby scrub jay.
Here we have some milkweed. This is especially for the butterflies. We hope we attract some more. And this is pineapple sage. It's a great herb to grow. First of all, one can use it instead of lettuce and things as herbs, and then they come the red flowers right out of here, and the hummingbirds absolutely love them. So Here we have a few Jerusalem artichokes, which carry some nice flowers also, and the almond tree. Like right here, you can see all the almonds, they're green, they blend in. And apple peppermint, some more kale and strawberries and squashes coming. And here comes the persimmon, which is really nice carrying too. And here we have some different legumes and also kale and squashes. And here we have the pomegranates, another pomegranate, and here are the plums. And here we have a Jonathan apple tree, and here we have a Pakistani mulberry tree, which has these long mulberries, very sweet. And our beloved manzanita trees, they built the canopy to give some partial shade. Vegetables don't like too much bright, full sun. And then we have the wood chips, of course, which are good for soil building, water retention, and less weeds. This is a little marsh, miniature marsh. We recently had an alligator lizard. They're non-dangerous, but really cute, and they love these kind of things. Pear tree and fig tree, and this is an apricot, and everything is planted together. And it has different levels, like I said, the canopy, and then the fruit trees, and then the bushes, and then the herbs, and then the potatoes or whatever roots. And this is another apple tree, a young one, and some more pineapple sage and flowers. And look at this for today. The flower just came out. What a neat, beautiful happening. Yes, we love this, the sound of this pond. So this is another pear tree, and these are other kabocha plants like right there. And this is a trial we do in these containers. Peppers, bell peppers and cucumbers and some more snow peas. And this is a honey crisp actually.
Apple.
Yeah, that's
Strawberry.
calendula and some borage and sun gold tomatoes and some more strawberries. And here we have nectarines.
Oh, yeah.
They're coming here nicely. It's a good tree also.
Sweet potato.
We have two kinds of sweet potatoes, like this kind with these leaves, and then here these heart leaves. So we'll see how they come. And then this is an orange tree right here. And this one is a 5-way tree. It has the yellow peaches, then nectarines, it has apricots and plums, and the white peaches right here. Another apple, and another cherry. And this is the golden raspberries. They're very sweet, they're very nice, and they come a little earlier than the red ones. Yeah. And here we have a gala apple and some hybrid between raspberry and blackberry fruit, and some fig tree. This is a mulberry bush. This is an Indian blood peach. We planted it last year and it has already 2 peaches, and these are late peaches. So we have early peaches, middle and late. That's a good thing if you plant a garden or a fruit forest. And this is the blackberries, and we have here jujube. These are the little flowers, and they make Chinese dates. The Chinese pear, and then honeysuckle, and some more raspberries, a peach tree, a big one. This is our first peach tree we had. It really carries a lot. A little lemon and a grapefruit, and this is still the same peach tree. And then the apricot. And also, right in here, we planted some horseradish, and under another tree there, we planted some ginger. And this is the big fig tree. We have another orange tree. And this is an avocado, but we're not in the zone where we get avocados. But I think it's an amazing, look at this trunk, and he just came out of a pit and just grew. This is apple, again, apple, and here we have a pineapple guava, which makes flowers and then this kind of fruits then here, yes. And some parsley, you know, lots of herbs. The verbena, you can watch the verbena tea. And here we landed at the mandarin. Yeah, here one can see some.
Mandarins.
Yeah, mandarins. They're small, they come in a few months. So, and this is a nice overview over the garden here. And I think it's really wonderful to have a garden, as small as it can be. It's always wonderful to grow one's own food. And this is not a particularly big fruit forest, but as you can see, it has a lot in here. I think you know the numbers, Will.
Oh, we have 57 fruit and nut trees here.
Yeah, and then all the herbs, you know, thyme and sage and different peppermints and flowers everywhere. Flowers are important for the bees, and the hummingbirds love it, and so we have lots of birds and butterflies. It's really beautiful. So thank you for taking a walk with me.